Ever wondered what was in that deleted WhatsApp message? In this video, I'll show you how to read deleted messages on Android easily. First of all, go to Play Store app on your phone and search for an app named Recover Deleted Chat and Status. You can see it on screen also. Install the app and open it. Give it access to media and files. Now, go back to your home screen and open WhatsApp. Tap on three dots on top right corner and then tap on Settings, the last option. Now, scroll down and search for Storage and Data. Tap on it. Tap on when using mobile data under Media Auto Download and check all the options here to give access to that app, so it can read your deleted media. You can also select Auto Download Quality Form here. Now, whenever someone will send you message and delete it, you can see that message from here in this app. If you like the video, subscribe to our channel and press bell icon to get daily tech videos. Thank you.